let's play a drum. Bang, bang, bang. Feel the rhythm in your hands, clap along. Sang, sang, sang. Tap this own colorful keys so bright. Play each note in order, make a joyful sigh. Strum your ukulele, tiny strings that sing. Pluck a happy melody, let your music ring. Shake the tambourine, jingle all around. Move and dance together, hear that cheerful sound. Play the piano keys black and white. Press them gently, softly, make the tune just right. Strum the guitar chords that make you sway. Sing along the music, have fun while you play. Glide the violin with the bow so long. Draw the strings and listen to the sweet song. Blow your flute, gentle airy sound. Make the notes go up and down, let them dance around. Crash the cymbals loud and shiny too. Bang them high together,